Okay. Hi.
This is your birthday video.
Yes, so happy birthday.
Happy effing birthday.
Yes.
Why did I say that?
I don't know, just because you're mean. You're not nice like me.
No, I was enthusiastic about it, but I didn't really say the F word, so it's okay.
But still, we mean it sincerely. Happy birthday.
Well, yeah, duh. Happy birthday.
Yeah, 22.
I feel like you're older than that, but I already told you that. We already had that conversation.
Yeah. No, I don't think that's a compliment, though. That he's older than that.
Whatever.
He's still young. You still look young, handsome as ever.
You're gonna be here in like 5 days.
Tuesday.
Well, 4 days. Wait. Well, he'll be here Monday. We'll see him on Tuesday.
Yes, we'll see you on Tuesday.
We're gonna go see him right after speech class.
Yes. We'll both be over there. Yes.
We're gonna maul you and whatnot.
Yes.
Did you notice we're playing the Friday song?
Yeah.
Wow, it ended right after I said that.
Yeah.
Dang. Start it over.
No, we're doing so good.
Oh, this is the what's his name? Does he have a name?
No, it's Mr. Football.
Really? Let's give him a different name. Touchdown.
It goes up, goes down, touchdown.
Is that you guys' thing?
Yes, it's
I was gonna say
us.
what. No, I've heard it. I just didn't really
Yeah.
remember. Okay, well, I guess his name's Touchdown.
Yes.
He doesn't look like a touchdown. He looks more like
A pistol.
a Fred.
A what?
Fred.
Fred? There you go. It's Fred.
This is Fred. And he also wants to wish you happy birthday.
Yes, he's a little more enthusiastic.
Happy
about
birthday, son! Yeah. He's supposed to make noise apparently, but we can't get him to.
Yeah.
Try it again. I can feel it vibrating in there. It's just not doing anything.
Dead. Dead.
Are we gonna sing him happy birthday?
Yes, we will sing you happy birthday.
Really?
Yes. Be enthusiastic about it. Ready?
No.
Well, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear tart face.
Yeah, that.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, that's our epic birthday video to you. So
Let's
enjoy
make a heart for him.
Yes.
We love you.
Yes.
We will see you soon.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.